Hello, John Golitz here with another tutorial on exporting your connections from LinkedIn. So the first thing you need to do is go and sign on or log into your LinkedIn profile. And then in order to download the connections, it's a little bit tricky, but I'm going to walk you through it. The first thing you need to do is you need to go up here to this little Me tab, and you need to click on that. And then you need to go down to Settings and Privacy and click on that. It'll open up a separate page, and you want to click on the Privacy tab up here. And then you want to scroll down, and then you want to go down to how LinkedIn uses your data. Oh no, here it is down here. And then where you go to download your data, click over here, change. And then this is asking you, okay, what are you interested in? We want to click connections and then request archive. And then I guess it's asking me for my security word, my security password. Put that in there. That's saved. Now it's going to send me an email when my download is ready. And I guess this can take anywhere from 10 minutes to 2 days. So as soon as we get that, we'll come back on and finish the process. So hey, we're back, and it was actually only about 10 minutes. And I have my email from LinkedIn saying my download is ready with this link. I'm really excited. I've not done this before, so we're just going to click on this link and see what happens. All right, we clicked on the link and we're ready to download this. We're going live here, unrehearsed, flying without a net. It says download your data, download archive here. All right, so it's downloading, and here it is in a zip file. And I'm going to open it. And ta-da! Here it is in the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. First name, last name, email address, the company, position, the date we connected on. And just for fun, let's see how many of these I have. I don't even know. Oh, 1,668. So there is your LinkedIn connections downloaded to an Excel spreadsheet. And that process wasn't so bad. So there you go. Thanks a lot.